I'm going to show you how to do the mattress stitch for this cable hat. What you'll need is a pair of scissors, you'll need a darning needle, and you'll need about a meter of yarn. So to start this off, you'll need to secure the bottom. So thread through your darning needle with the yarn at the bottom of the hat and pick up that little knot at the bottom of the hat and just pull through. And just maybe just do another stitch into that just to secure it, and then just leave it for now. So now we're ready to do our mattress stitch. I'm going to use a contrast so that you can see what I'm doing. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at these little bridges the whole way up the hat. So keep your hat flat. And what I want you to do is look for that little bridge between those two stitches. So put your darning needle into that little bridge and pull to about an inch of your yarn. And then you're going to look on the other side for the other little bridge and just hook it underneath. Now I want you to do this on every row. I don't want you to miss a row. I want you to do it on every row so that it's consistent the whole way up the hat. So again, look for this little bridge, and it's like threading up or lacing up a corset, if you can imagine, like that. Just keep the yarn quite loose. Again, look for that little bridge and that little bridge, and continue that for the rest of the yarn that you have on your needle. Again, just keep looking for those little bridges, but you need to do it on every row so there's no gap. So just keep going and I will pick it up when you've run out of yarn. So just take each end and gently tug. And then I want you to do this, turn your hat inside out, and then just thread through your yarn, maybe 2 or 3 centimeters, and make sure it's nicely and secure. And then you can snip it. Now I'm not going to snip it just now because I'm going to go back and change this to pink, but just snip it there, and then and tidy up this other thread as well. To finish off the bottom of our hats, and so what I want you to do is just thread that darning needle with that yarn at the bottom, and what we need to do is just turn it inside out and thread it up 1 or 2 centimeters, and then just snip it